Hi busy people, how are you doing? This is Poojitha Mahendra. We live in Bay Area and we travel in and around Bay Area and share those videos with you. This has been a year with good days. What are good days? Good question. A day spent at the beach, a day spent in National Park, a day spent traveling. What do you say? Do you agree? Hubby gifted me a drone, so expect drone shots showing bird's eye view of these beautiful places we go. Till now, hubby and my son have been my muses. This year, like the coming year, I wanna share some screen space too. Hopefully, I don't chicken out. This will be one of my New Year's resolution. What are your plans for Christmas and New Year? Where are you spending these days? And who are you spending with? I wanted a white Christmas, but I'm doubtful with the storms, avalanches, and blackouts in Sierra. I don't want to take the risk with the little one. But it's going to be a crazy different Christmas in the desert in Death Valley. I'll come back with those videos. Till then, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and Happy Holidays. By the way, like, share, and comment on these videos. Subscribe to the channel. Encourage your girl to make more videos. Bye. Take care.